Hi everyone, it is Sergeant of Toys, and today we are going to open up some Disney Doorables Series 10 mini peeks. This is the Disney 100 Celebrate 100 Years of Wonder, and this has got to be my favorite packaging of all the series so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like this packaging or one of the other previous series? But this one is my favorite. So today we're going to open up 10 mini peeks together. Now, before we do that, I want to share with you guys my current checklist. The ones with the X's are the ones that I have already. And as you can see, we still need a lot more. So our goal today when we open up these mini peeks is to find as many new ones as we can so we can check them off our list. But let's go ahead and get started and see who is behind each of these mini peek doors. Alright, so I went ahead and took off all the plastic wrapping. So let's go ahead and start opening up these Disney Doorables Series 10 mini peeks. And I am super excited because I love this series. Each one comes with a checklist. This one has 2 bags. And you can either get 2 or 3 bags in these mini peeks. So let's see. First one. And we've got Tafiti from Moana. Look how cool she is. Very pretty and green. I love the flowers on her head. Super cute. We're going to go ahead. We'll move these over a little bit. We'll start putting them right here. All right, next one. Oh, this is Dante, I believe. Yes, Dante from Coco. Look at him with his little tongue sticking out. He is so cute. Next one. 2 bags in this one. Okay, so I'm still new on some of these characters. He is from Emperor's New Groove, and this one is Kronk. Then we've got the one and only Wally. Look how sparkly his eyes are. I love this one with this little fire extinguisher. Super cute. Okay, let's keep going. This one. Come on, we want some with 3 bags. And we've got 2. Oh my goodness. Look at him from Toy Story. And again, having a brain fart. This is Lenny. Lenny, super cute. I love him. And the same box as Lenny. We've got this cool looking cat. Again, apologize, I don't know everybody's name, but that's why we have the checklist right here. And this one, let's see if I can find him real quick, is Gideon. This is Gideon, and Gideon is from, who can tell me first? Who can tell me first? Let's see what movie he's from. Gideon is from Pinocchio. You guys, I don't know what's wrong with me. I thought this was Kronk, and this is actually Pancha from Emperor's New Groove. I really need to catch up on some of these Disney movies or rewatch them because I forget here and there. But let's go ahead and keep going. 3 bags, please. 3 bags, please. No, we still got the 2. Got 2 is better than 1. All right. We've got one of the special edition figures, Mr. Winnie the Pooh. How adorable. All right, who's going to go with Winnie the Pooh? Come on. Oh, Mr. From Pinocchio, this is Geppetto with his cute little candle. He's ready for bed. We love him. We've got 6 more to go. Checklist to the side. Still got 2. Miguel, I know this little face. This is Miguel from Coco. And then we've got M.O. Is that how you say that? His name is M.O. You guys let me know in the comments too, which is your favorite Disney movie? Mine is, I love Nightmare Before Christmas. I also love Luca, and he is in series 9, so I was happy to get those. But I love Nightmare Before Christmas, so anything Nightmare Before Christmas has to be mine. I see glitter. This is Miss Mulan. Emperor's New Groove. I know this guy. This is Cuzco, however you want to say it. Ooh, this fun one feels like 3. Let's see if I'm right. 1, 2. Nope. Still with the 2 bags. From Good Dinosaur. And this is Oreo. And then we've got another special edition, Mr. Woody. 3 more to go. Man, I don't want this to end. I love these. All right, we've got Miss Maid Marion. Oh, look, we got 3 in this one. I didn't even know that because they were stuck together. Mike Wazowski. You know, I already have Mike Wazowski, and I thought his eye was messed up because it looks like it's cut off right here. But someone told me that he's like that, so I guess I got 2 of them. And the lucky 3rd bag is... Oh my gosh, I love these because of how fuzzy they are. These are super cute. This little guy is Dodger from Oliver and Company. We'll put those 3 together so we know what box they came out of. All right. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these last boxes are pretty good. And I see Pinocchio. He is super cute. Put him back there. So far, I think we're doing good with checking off some from our list, and he is from Pinocchio, and this is Mr. Percy. And last but certainly not least of this box, from Ratatouille, and this is Colette. You guys, I made a big boo-boo. I thought I hit record, but I was just talking to myself. Well, I'm still talking to myself, but I didn't hit play. So let's pretend like that never happened. So let's go ahead and open up our last Disney Doorables Series 10 mini peek. And don't mind the bags, they're already open. But we've got 2 bags in here. And we've got Mr. Sully. He's looking quite angry. And then we've got Sir Hiss from Emperor's New Groove. No, he's not. Psych. He's from Robin Hood. Girl, get it together. Anyways, look at him. Super cute. Now let's go ahead and run through these Doorables one more time, and then we will check them off our checklist to see how we did. We've got Pacha, Pinocchio, Tafiti, Wally, Lenny, Gideon, and Winnie the Pooh. Then we've got Mulan, Dodger, Sir Hiss, Ario, Kuzco, Sully, and Woody. Last but not least, we've got Dante, M.O., Percy, Colette, Miguel, Mike Wazowski, Maid Marian, and Geppetto. Now let's go ahead and check them off our checklist. Alright, so we can knock off Dante. And then we've got Sir Hiss, Percy down here at the bottom. And then Miguel. Mike Wazowski, we already have. We've got Maid Marian. And let me see. Looking for Geppetto. Here's Geppetto. We can mark Geppetto off. Mulan, I think we can mark her off. Yep. We already have Dodger. Moving on down to M.O. There you go, buddy. We've got Ario already. I think we have Kuzco. We don't have Sully. So let's mark Sully off. And then we've got the special edition Woody. And next up is Pacha, Pinocchio, doing good, Miss Tafiti. We already have Wally and we have Lenny. And up next is Gideon. And then Mr. Winnie the Pooh. Alright, you guys, we were able to knock off 14 out of the 22 on my list, and that was awesome. We did such a great job at finding some new ones today in these Disney Doorables Series 10 mini peeks. Let me know if you guys are enjoying this collection. Let me know which one is your favorite character that we opened up today, and we will be back for some more unboxing of Disney Doorables and other toys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you next time.